I'm a real estate investor. 34 years old, gotten started in real estate when I was going through college, '03 to '07. Everybody's making money, right? That's what motivated a 20-year-old kid back then. And I'm from Cleveland, Ohio originally, graduated from college. My brother was living out in New York, and I decided to move out to New York and become a real estate agent. I thought that's how you got involved in real estate. So got my real estate license, went to work for a commercial brokerage firm, and essentially just, I acted as a broker, brokering leases for retail and office tenants. So if there was a business that wanted to expand, I would help that business owner find another location. Or if there was like a retail space or an office space that needed to be marketed by the landlord, I would help market that and bring a business in. And yeah, man, from a long story short, I saw the first deal I closed was a small 400 square foot space, the size of a couple of bedrooms, like very small. And we signed a lease in Manhattan for $10,000 a month for that space. And I was like,
Wow.
man, I'm on the wrong side of the coin. This guy's going to make almost $2 million, the landlord, over the next 12 years for doing something at one point in time. And I was like, I don't need to be brokering real estate. I need to be owning real estate. And so this is like '07, '08. I moved down to Charleston, South Carolina, just kind of quality of life decision, and got into investing, and kind of went through that analysis paralysis phase where you got to learn everything, and quickly realized I wasn't going to learn how to swim until I actually jump in the water. And that's what I did, man. I found the cheapest house on the MLS and the cheapest house in the entire greater Charleston, South Carolina area. Didn't have money, but I figured it out. I got my credit card limit increased and bought the house actually on my credit card. Did all the work myself, sold it in 75 days, made $14,000, and it was the most money I've ever made up to that point. And I was like, I'm hooked, right? I got to do it again. And this is like 2009, right after the market tanked. And so I've never been in like a good real estate market. This is new to me, that all this good, positivity and stuff is going on. It's always been like a struggle and a difficult real estate market. Everybody's always said run away from real estate. But I knew it worked, right? You see enough successful entrepreneurs and high achievers, they all invest in real estate or made money in real estate. And I knew if I stuck with it long enough, eventually it would pay off. And so, man, I've been through everything: wholesaling real estate, flipping, like the HGTV stuff that you see, turnkey, like buying rental properties, fixing them all up, putting tenants in place, packaging it and selling it to a white collar professional, open up a management company, built up a portfolio of apartments, and then had a partnership that broke up and had to sell everything, and then built it all up again. Been through a lot of stuff. And over the past like 4 years, a little over 4 years, I've just been kind of doing my own thing, building my team, growing it. And currently I have a little over 3,200 units with another 600 apartments and 650 self-storage units, all closing by the end of this year. So it's cool. We've had a lot of success recently over the past few years, but I promise you, we've been paying our dues and planting a lot of seeds over the past 11 years in order to get where we are today. So it's cool to see the fruits of our labor really paying off. And we're aware of where we are in the market cycle, and we're paying attention to all that stuff. We're very conservative about what we buy, even though we are very ambitious. We're making sure we're doing the right thing and buying good deals, not just properties, right?